We're here today in Colombo, Sri Lanka, where behind me is one of our most exciting and interesting passive house projects. The Star Garment Product Development Center is a combination office and industrial building where both design, sourcing, pattern making, and sewing happen under one roof.
This project is a model for how businesses can use passive house design principles in any climate and on any building type to significantly save money on energy and operational costs, improve worker productivity, and contribute towards an environmentally and socially conscious future. Passive house is a holistic set of design principles and efficiency standards that strictly regulate the amount of energy a building can use, guaranteeing a very high level of comfort for the people inside. Its basic principles include proper insulation to reduce heat transfer, an airtight enclosure to prevent leakages, high-performance windows and doors, and an energy-efficient heat recovery ventilation system. The Star Garment Building is located in the heart of Sri Lanka, just above the equator, where the climate presents challenges to designing efficient, sustainable, and comfortable buildings. The existing industrial shed was first stripped down to its bare steel skeleton and concrete slab on grade. Modifications were then made to the walls and structure, and the renovation included a high-performance heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, a complete air barrier, continuous layers of insulation on all sides, high-performance windows and doors, and an insulated roof assembly with solar panels. For the Star Garments project, energy use is projected to drop by 70%, with a 90% reduction in dehumidification energy and a 73% reduction in heat pump energy. The payback period is just 6 years with a 16.6% annual return on investment, saving the company over $50,000 in annual utility expenses. Maintenance expenses are significantly reduced by the high standards of materials and methods of construction. Employees enjoy year-round comfort in a workspace that provides filtered fresh air, abundant natural light, low humidity, and consistent temperatures. Studies by researchers at Harvard University show that employees with access to properly ventilated air boast a 60% better job performance, have 30% fewer headaches and respiratory complaints, and increased alertness due to better sleep at night. At JPDA, we are uniquely qualified in overseeing passive house projects. We stand out for our close collaboration with a team of the world's leading sustainable experts and engineers. Unlike other sustainability standards like LEED, passive house is evaluated through comprehensive performance testing before and after each project is complete to ensure the building holds up to the highest standards. JPDA was able to use our expertise in passive house standards on the Star Garment Innovation Center to create a model which can be replicated throughout the world on any building type and in any climate to ensure sustainability, energy efficiency, and high social and ethical standards.